Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have 5 people that needed something translated, and the first person that needed me to translate something was Mark. Mark, thanks again for your continuous support, and these are the things that Mark wanted to know. The first thing that Mark wanted to know was, it's a short day for me. Now that in TWI can be said as Ɛyɛ da Tietia Maame. Again, Ɛyɛ da Tietia Maame. One last time, Ɛyɛ da Tietia Maame. And the second thing that Mark wanted to know was, you are very funny or humorous. Now that in TWI can be said in 2 ways. The first way one can actually say that is Wohuye Sere or Wohuye nika. Again, Wohuye Sere or Wohuye nika. One last time, slower. Wohuye Sere or Wohuye nika. Now the third thing that Mark wanted to know was, today is going to be a good day. Now that in TWI can be said as Ɛnnɛ bɛyɛ da. Again, Ɛnnɛ bɛyɛ da. So in TWI, Ɛnnɛ is today, bɛyɛ is it's going to be, da is day, pa is good. So again, in TWI the sentence would be Ɛnnɛ bɛyɛ da. Mark, thanks again for your continuous support. The next person that wanted me to translate something was Jul. Thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Jul wanted to know. The first thing that Jul wanted was, where was your mother staying when she gave birth to you? Now that in TWI can be said in relatively 2 ways. Now the first way one can actually say that is, Ehina na wo maame te, aberɛ ɔwoo. Again, Ehina na wo maame te, aberɛ ɔwoo. Now the second way of saying that would be Ɛhefa na wo maame te, aberɛ ɔwoo. Again, Ɛhefa na wo maame te, aberɛ ɔwoo. Now the difference between the two is Ɛhe and Ɛhefa. Ɛhe basically in English would be where. Ɛhefa would be where in particular. Right? So the second one is asking, where in particular was your mother staying when she gave birth to you? So roughly those are similar. But remember, in TWI, mom can be said in 3 ways. You can either say it as Maame, na or ni. So in this sentence, you can replace Maame with ni or na. Right? Now the second thing that Jul wanted to know was how to say throw it away. Now throw it away in TWI can be said as to twine. Again, to twine. One last time, to twine. So the next person that wanted me to translate something was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. So Daniel wanted to know what Jinyame meant in English. Jinyame in this context would be receive God. Again, receive God. In TWI, that would be Jinyame. And the second thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say which side. Now, which side in TWI can be said as Ɛhefa. Ɛhefa. Right? Or one can actually say Ɛhefa pote. Now, in that context, Ɛhefa pote would be where in particular. So the 2 ways that one can roughly say which side in TWI would be Ɛhefa or Ɛhefa pote. And the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say fire fall on you. Now that in TWI can be said as Oja ntowoso. Again, Oja ntowoso. Oja is fire. Nto is basically something falling on someone. Woso, on top of you. And the next person that wanted me to translate something was Yao. Yao, thanks again for your support. And this is what Yao wanted to know. Yao wanted to find out what mihunwa na meye meant in English. Again, mihunwa na meye. I will only do it when I see him or her. Again, I will only do it when I see him or her. So now let's replace him or her with person. So basically, I will only do it when I see the person. One last time. Mihunwa na meye. But one can actually also say mihunwa meye, which is a short form, which basically means when I see the person, I'll do it. And the last person that needed me to translate something was Mujeeb. Mujeeb, thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Mujeeb wanted to know. The first thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, even if she knows, she won't do anything. Now that in Twi can be said as, Se onimpoa onyehwe. Again, Se onimpoa onyehwe. Se in this context to be even if. Onimpoa is basically even if the person knows. Onyehwe meaning they won't do anything about it. So again, the sentence is Se onimpoa onyehwe. One last time. Se onimpoa onyehwe. The second thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, so you are the only one that live here. Now that in Twi can be said as, Enti wunkwa na otiha. Again, Enti wunkwa na otiha. Let me slow it down and explain. If somebody goes Enti, that's so. Wunkwa is basically the only one. Yes, the only one. Na wotiha, staying here. Again, Enti wunkwa na wotiha. The third thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, who killed her? Now, who killed her in Twi would be why na okuno. Again, why na okuno. Why is who. Na literally means somebody did something. So why na is who did something, right? Kuno, killed the person, right? So now in Twi again, who killed her would be why na okuno. Remember, we don't have him or her in Twi. That's replaced by no, which is a person. So in English, that would be who killed the person. Again, in Twi, that would be why na okuno. Now the fourth thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, who made it dirty? Now that in Twi can be said as, why na oye nufin. Again, why na oye nufin. Why na oye nufin. Fin in Twi is dirt. And the fifth thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, when did you come? Now that in Twi can be said as, mre beng na ubaye. Again, mre beng na ubaye. One last time, mre beng na ubaye. Mre is time. Beng is what time? In technically speaking, that would be when, right? Na wo did you buy come? So again, mre beng na wo buy. Now the last thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was, where are you coming from? Now that in Twi can be said as, Ɛhefa na ufriba. Again, Ɛhefa na ufriba. Ɛhefa is where. Na ufri coming from. Ba, back. So again, Ɛhefa na ufriba. One last time. Ɛhefa na ufriba. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent things through. I just want to change things up a bit. From next week going on, right, I'll only translate the first 12 to 15 translations, at most 15, right? I think I'm starting to get a lot of translations, so I just want to have a cap. So what will happen is after the 15th translation, what I'll do is that will roll over to the other week's translation. Again, I just want to say thank you to every single person. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now. Please do keep on spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi come to this channel, and hopefully when they go through the content, they'll enjoy it enough to actually subscribe to it. And guys, remember, please download the Twi Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. If you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And guys, please do take good care of yourself. Things are really getting bad out there. From me, Kwesi, with lots of love. See you next week. Bye.